A CAT Customer Value Agreement, or CVA, is an ownership and maintenance plan for your equipment. It includes parts and support to help keep your machine working and your operation on track. CVAs come in 3 levels of support and can include premium CAT fluids and filters. Whichever one you choose, genuine CAT parts are delivered directly to you. And CAT fluids are included in Performance and Confidence CVAs. In the Convenience CVA, adding oils is recommended. Here are 3 reasons a CVA should include CAT oils. 1. It's convenient. You'll receive a maintenance parts kit, including any necessary filters and fluids when you need it. 2. You're getting fluids formulated specifically for your equipment. CAT oils are designed for and tested in CAT machines to help optimize performance and extend component life. And 3. It can help you manage fluid and machine health. SOS Services fluid analysis is part of any CVA. With CAT SOS Services, your routine oil samples are tested to better understand the condition of your fluids and will alert you to any problems. For convenience, protection, and peace of mind, choose a CVA that includes CAT oils. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.